Double Flap Penguin Picture Cards, Unit 6, Module 2, Session 2. Today we will solve addition story problems with sums and minuends to 20, apply the commutative property of addition to add, solve subtraction problems by finding an unknown addend, use the relationship between addition and subtraction to add and subtract within 20, use strategies to add and subtract within 20, solve for the unknown in an addition or subtraction equation involving three whole numbers. Reason abstractly and quantitatively. For this lesson, you will need white paper, scissors, and something to write with. We're going to play another round of I have, I need with the double 10 frame cards. You need to help me figure out how many I have on each card and how many more I need to make 20. Here we go. I have, if you said 13, that's correct. How many more do I need to make 20? If you said 7, that is the right answer. Next, I have, how many did I have? I had 18. How many more do I need to make 20? 2. I have, how many do I have? If you said 14, that's correct. And how many more do I need to make 20? 6 is the correct answer. I have 17. How many more do I need to make 20? If you said 3, you're on a roll. I have 12. How many more do I need to make 20? 8 is the correct answer. You see we have 5 empty boxes here, plus 3 more. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 8 plus 12 equals 20. Okay. We're going to use double flap cards again. Today they have pictures of penguins rather than dots. To start, we're using the number 14. Make a prediction. What number is going to be under our first flap? 4. 4 penguins, and we're trying to make 14. 4 plus something equals 14. What's going to be over here? Make a prediction. If you said 10, you're correct. 4 plus 10 equals 14. Just like 10 plus 4 equals 14. Great work. Let's make our subtraction equations. I have 10, so 14 minus 10 equals, what's the answer? 4, of course. 14 minus 4 equals 10. This is what we call a fact family. Okay, get your paper, get your pencil. Here we go. Now we're going to use the number 13. Make a prediction. Write it on your paper. Okay, what do you predict is going to be under our first flap? How many king penguins are on this side? I see 6 king penguins. If we have 6 king penguins on this side, how many king penguins do we have on the other side? If you said 7, you're right on. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Likewise, 7 plus 6 equals 13. This is the commutative property of addition. It doesn't matter which order the numbers are in, the answer is the same. Okay, let's do our subtraction. We're showing 7. So 13 minus 7 equals 6. Let's try the other one. We're now showing 6. 13 minus 6 equals 7. Great work. Okay, can you record all 4 equations for the little blue penguin double flap card? What's our first equation? Take a moment, write them down, and then check your work. 9 plus 4 equals 13. 4 plus 9 equals 13. 13 minus 9 equals 4, and 13 minus 4 equals 9. Sorry, my head's in the way. There you go. Okay, you're going to make your own double flap picture card in a few minutes. First, we're going to make a double flap card together. The first thing we need to do is decide on a simple picture that we can draw. For example, stars, hearts, circles, or another 2D shape. I'll use stars. We need to decide on a number to make. Let's use 12. Then we'll fill in the double flap card, write the equations, and a story problem to match. 4 stars plus 6 stars equals only 10. There's an error here somewhere. 4 plus 8. So the equations are making 12. The picture is only showing 10. Please ignore the picture. 4 plus 8 equals 12. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 12 minus 4 equals 8. 12 minus 8 equals 4. Again, my head's in the way. Sorry about the confusion there. Okay, now we'll make our own double flap picture card. Get your paper, get your scissors, fold the paper in half, fold it in half again, open it up, and cut to the center so you have 2 flaps, just like we did yesterday. Choose a number between 11 and 20. Write that number on the back. Then decide what 2 parts you want to break that number up into. Those are the number of pictures you're going to put under each flap. Then I want you to write your fact family and a matching story problem for one of the equations. For example, I had 4 little blue penguins sitting on the iceberg. I had 7 more penguins, little blue penguins, come join them on the iceberg. How many little blue penguins do I have all together sitting on the iceberg? So my fact family is 4 plus 7 equals 11. 7 plus 4 equals 11. 11 minus 4 equals 7. And 11 minus 7 equals 4. Okay, share your story problem and see if someone can figure out which equation matches your story problem. That's it for today, friends. Have a great day.